Okay, we're looking at the program assembly from the Muirfield door, and we're looking at these two micro switches here, and they are activated by this arm on the cam, and as you can see there's a gap there, and when this arm falls into that gap we get a tone, and it turns off when it's outside. So let's just check that. There's a tone, and it's now in the set position for a menu page. And if we go around another menu page, we're back to page 1. Off, on. Okay, and it's in the gap on this one here, and that's sounding. So just as a double check here, we'll switch to the outside micro switch. Again, there's a tone. It's in position 1. We'll rotate it around. No tone. And a tone. So that should take care of our problem where we were pressing 21 and getting 101. So we'll put it in and check it out here in a second.